mobile phone can contaminate 600,000 litres of water. 53 million tons of e-waste in the world that is produced every year. So that's equivalent to about just over 4,000 Eiffel Towers. I'm Stuart Fleming, the managing partner of EnviroServe, which is now 18 years old as a company. EnviroServe started very small. At a table in Dubai, in a small office, we worked it from there to what you see behind me as a $40 billion investment. And the capacity for this is 40,000 tons per annum. So we have a rate of about 99% recovery. So out of 100% of an electronic product that comes in, 99% can be extracted and raw materials reused in that process. 18 years ago, the first mobile phone came to us for recycling. Taking apart that mobile, understanding its value, how it gets separated out, to now a fully automated machinery that includes AI is an 18-year story. We want to ensure people understand the dangers of just disposing of your electric toothbrush. So simply throwing that electric toothbrush into the waste, you're actually throwing that alkaline battery into a landfill, most probably, in which case seepage by water into the water system, that goes into the crops, or it gets used as consumed water, and so the cycle goes around.
This is one of the 4 modules that we have in the plant, where we do the first pre-processing of the material. We do the sorting by removing hazardous materials that cannot be shredded in the plant. And then from there, it goes to module 2. After sorting, the material now is ready. We can process 48 tons a day of e-waste. This is ready material to go in. Here in module 2, we have the conveyor belts where the materials will be fed from here. They'll go up. We call it the staircase to heaven, because once it goes up, there's no turning back. Where we have now the terminator will shred it into smaller pieces. And then it continues to the third module, where we have the AI technology, artificial intelligence. The machine has artificial intelligence to detect PCB boards, aluminium, plastic, and segregate it individually. And then the outputs that you get, they are raw materials which are separate from each other. Once the material is segregated from the AI technology, module 3.1, it comes down in different sizes. You've got precious metal in different sizes. You got plastic, different sizes of plastic as well. You got precious metal. You've got copper, gold mixed together. Same, but now in in different sizes. And we got now the PCB boards. All this done from the machine itself.
The metals obviously end up at downstream refinery and could become a body for a new motor car or a chair, or who knows what those metals could become. And of course the precious metals become ingots of gold, silver, palladium and platinum.
بالنسبة لخدمة الجرين تراك، احنا طبعا نمر اسبوعيا نكولكت الويست من الهاوس هولد في بنز متخصصة احنا نوفرها لهم. تيجي هنا على البلانت نصنفها على حسب الويست اللي موجودة اللي انتجوها الناس، وبعدين تدخل معنا على البلانت هنا، تاخذ من بداية دخولها للماشينز عندنا لحد ما تخرج مصنفة بشكل عام 14 دقيقة من البداية للنهاية.
There's value to this product. And we're wanting to ensure, and as a philosophy of EnviroServe, we want to ensure that that wealth and value of that electronic waste remains in that country. So for here in the UAE, the value of that electronic waste is approximately $500 million per annum. Why are we importing copper when we're exporting old cables, which form part of electronic waste? Why not in each country have a facility to retain those copper within those cables and send it downstream to a manufacturer to reproduce in that country copper cables? So it's a very simple balance of trade. And from there, the economy both benefits from it, the OEM benefits from it, the consumer benefits from a health perspective, and of course the environment of the world is beneficial. Because as you know, only a very small amount of that 53 million tons of e-waste ends up in a recycled process. Most of it, unfortunately, ends up in a landfill.